Hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Magnum Education Buzz. Let's start the video.
Ellie the Brave Elephant. In a faraway green jungle, where tall trees touched the sky and rivers sang sweet songs, lived a little elephant named Ellie. Ellie was small, curious, and loved exploring the forest with her best friends, Toto the monkey and Mimi the parrot. One night, as Ellie and her friends slept, dark clouds gathered. Thunder roared, and the jungle shook. The little animals ran in fear. The storm was very strong. Ellie trembled but remembered her mama's words. True bravery is helping others even when you're scared. Suddenly, Ellie heard Toto crying. He was stuck on a tree branch that was about to break. Without thinking twice, Ellie ran through the rain and used her long trunk to lift Toto safely to the ground. Then, she helped Mimi, who had lost her way in the storm, by listening carefully to her tiny voice and guiding her home. When the sun rose, the storm was gone. The jungle sparkled with morning dew. All the animals gathered and cheered for Ellie, the smallest elephant, but the bravest of them all. Ellie smiled, realizing that bravery isn't about size, it's about the heart. Moral of the story: you don't have to be big to be brave. Courage comes from kindness and helping others.
Please like the video and subscribe for more. Please like the video and subscribe for more.